Hello everyone, welcome to Fun-Filled Learnings. In this video, Pluto is going to take us on the journey to explore the planets in our solar system. I am excited to be an astronaut in this mission.
Hello little ones. It's me Pluto. Today, you are going to explore planets with me.
Hello Pluto. Are you a planet?
That's quite a story. Let's first visit the solar system, shall we? Meet Mercury, our smallest planet. To the Sun, it's also the closest.
Hey, Pluto, planet Mercury looks very bright and I can feel a lot of heat here.
Did you know that Mercury takes 88 Earth days to have a year?
I have a question to raise if you don't mind please. Shouldn't years take longer than days?
Well, that's not always the case. Planets move in two ways.
How is that possible, Pluto?
First on its own axis like a dancer on a pirouette. And then around the Sun on a path called the orbit. I turn slowly on my axis so my days are longer. In orbit I am quick, so a year takes shorter. Hope that explains well. Are you ready for next planet? It's Venus, named for the Roman goddess of love. Of all the planets, it rises above.
Wow, Pluto, it's really great to see that Venus is slightly smaller than Earth.
While all other planets spin its axis counterclockwise. This makes the planet upside down. Planet number 3 is our very own. It is Earth, the one we call home.
Earth looks really amazing from the top, Pluto.
Great to hear that. Did you know that 70% of its surface is water? Mars, the fourth planet, also fondly called red. It has two moons, Deimos and Phobos.
I have a question, Pluto. Why Mars is red in color?
That's actually a great question. The surface of Mars has an orange-reddish color because its soil has iron oxide or rust particles in it. Did you know that the sky on Mars often appears pink or light orange because the dust in the soil is blown into Mars' thin atmosphere by winds on Mars? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are not just neighbors by the nearest star but also compact balls of rocks and metals. They are planets called rocky or terrestrial.
Where are we off to next, Pluto?
Woohoo, to the bigger planets we go.
Is it the one with rings and another with a big spot?
That's correct, my little astronaut. Watch out for the rocky objects floating. They are ancient debris when the planets are forming. We're in the asteroid belt, you see. Now, let's meet Jupiter. Hydrogen and helium make up its atmosphere.
This planet is a huge one, Pluto. It looks so big and amazed to see its so many moons.
Hey Pluto, my friend, it's been a long time talking with you. Hi little astronaut, did you know that my neighbor and I to the naked eye are both visible from Earth's sky? I have 4 sets of rings that are wispy. For my pal Saturn, guess how many?
Thanks Jupiter, so far I have counted and it looks like Saturn is having 7 rings. Is it right, and do you know what are these rings made of?
It's Saturn here. Yes, you are right little astronaut. I have 7 wider rings all bright and icy made up of rock and ice. First seen by Galileo Galilei. Prettiest of all planets, that's me. 145 moons keep me company.
Nice to meet you both. Hey, is it getting very cold?
Ah, yes, because we're now near the coldest planet out here.
My name is Uranus, and I am blue-green, caused by sunlight and methane.
Uranus, are you okay? Why are you moving sideways?
I move almost 90 degrees on my side. This is how I rotate and I am all right.
We have come so far. Are we approaching another star?
I'm afraid not, my friend. But hey, here's our final planet. Here is Neptune, and it has 14 moons. It's a bit rocky and mostly blue and icy. Did you know that it also has 6 rings which are very hard to see?
I have a question, why Neptune rings are hard to see?
That's because it's the farthest planet. It's away from the Sun by 30 astronomical units.
Say, Pluto, aren't you farther away? 39 astronomical units? Thank you Pluto for showing us planets via this awesome journey in our solar system, and thank you everyone on joining us in this journey. Hope you learned a lot about the planets. Stay connected with us and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos like this.